So Surah Baqarah, ayah 13. So we'll do the first two lines. وَإِذَا قِيلَ. So the is stretched, the alif stretches the fatha, mad asli. The ya sakin stretches the qi. وَإِذَا قِيلَ. Make sure to the qi sound. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا. The a is stretched because it's a standing fatha. آمِنُوا كَمَا. So the mud stretches the alif over here. So again, وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ. So make sure you say the whole box all in one breath. آمِنُوا كَمَا. The mud, you stretch the a, the nu. So again, the nu is a mud asli. The waw sakin stretches the dhamma letter before it. And then the ma is a mud. Now here on the next box, you have a standing fatha. Amanan. So the na will join straight to the noon on the other word. Nan. And because the noon has a shadda, this is the ghunna rule. Amanan. So that's what we call the ghunna. And then the noon has an alif, so to stretch it. Na. So. Amanan nasu. That's how you say it. So make sure you say the whole box in one breath. Next one. Qo. This is the qaf. Do not say as a kaf. Kalu. There will be a major mistake. Qo. Qolu. So this is a mud. Anu. Minu. Remember this rule. Whenever you have a waw and a hamza on top, you ignore the waw. So it's not anu minu. It's anu minu. Anu minu. So the whole box in one breath. قالوا نؤمن كما. Now the next box all in one breath as well. Standing fatha. Amanas. So noon will join straight to the sin over here. Ignore the alif lam. Amanasu with a shadda. So make sure you put force on it. Amanasu. And I'll do the full word. And note over here, it ends with a hamza, so you'll have to do a very sharp stop to show the hamza. Okay, so make sure you can say the whole box in one breath. So I'm going to read the whole thing one more time. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا كَمَا آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء. Okay, so for the so you have to make sure that you can at least say the entire box all in one breath.